Hello, fellow fish nerds, and happy 12th day of the February fish vlogs. In today's video, I'm going to skip over the intro of me in front of the green screen and just get to telling the story. And as you see here, I'm going to pick up a package in my mailbox. It's a package that I got shipped that I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket for. How did I do that? Through a trade. As I mentioned in my video yesterday, I made a trade, an online trade actually, with a high school student. I traded, obviously, this is what I got out of the trade, was what I got in my mailbox here. What I traded him, gave to him, was I ordered a set of measuring spoons to measure fish dosing, fish medications, and also made him a PVC water siphon drain thing, which I'll show that in a later video. It really speeds up the process. I ordered the measuring spoons to Amazon Prime, which he did not have, so it shipped to him much faster. Stay tuned for the rest after the intro. It's Mr. Science Geek. I hope my tanks don't leak. If it's information that you seek, be sure to tune in each week. And my videos take a peek. My singing and my jokes really read. Alright, so here we go. What did I get in the mail? By the way, I hope you all enjoy my survivorman inspired parody type cinematography. I really have fun with it. Uh, it's mostly a joke for me. Um, I do hope you enjoy it though. Anyways, I got a small package in the mail. It took about a week to get delivered. Um, as you see, it's not a very thick box, so it's not an actual live fish, but it is something that is obviously goes in a fish tank. So guess we'll stay tuned to the end to find out what that is. Now, I did get a comment on a previous video that obviously I'm going to give it away. It took 18 minutes to get to a top 5 items used. Basically, the person was saying that I took too much time, which some would see that as a negative comment. However, I see it as constructive criticism. So please, I am open to constructive criticism in the comments below. Now, for the actual unboxing portion, which is not going to be as straightforward as what you would think. Of course, I mean, it's me, I'm trying to be all survivorman cinematography style. But anyways, like I said, I am definitely open to the constructive criticism, just, put it in a constructive way and not just a negative way. You might notice I always turn the fish food around so that the brands, the labels are not showing because they are not paying me to sponsor them. If anybody is interested in me sponsoring them, please let me know. I will gladly start showing your product. So what's in the box? Nothing, because I already got it out. Thank you for watching. Now, here it is. What is it? What did I get? Oh, you just scare your face. Oh, here it is. I got a Bucephalandra. I don't know the species type. I also got a dwarf sag plant, my first one. I know it's kind of a sad looking boost, but it sat overnight in freezing cold temperatures. So we'll see how it does. Hopefully it'll grow. Hopefully it'll do all right. It's attached to a lava rock. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned and stay fishy, people.